If you find yourself unable to access your Bank of America account due to missing verification codes, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Visit the Bank of America website. Go to the official Bank of America website using a secure internet connection. Look for the sign-in option on the home page. Step 2. Click on Forgot ID/password. On the sign-in page, locate and click on the Forgot ID/password link. This will direct you to the account recovery options. Step 3. Provide account information. Enter the required information such as your account number, social security number, and any other requested details. This helps verify your identity without the need for verification codes. Step 4. Choose alternative recovery options. If prompted, select an alternative method for account recovery. This may include answering security questions or receiving a temporary password via email or mail. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Once you have chosen an alternative recovery method, follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password or regain access to your account. Make sure to create a strong, memorable password. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider contacting Bank of America's customer service for further assistance.